2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those vegan guys. I thank you.
Hi, I'm Paul.
I'm Jason.
And this is one of our 60-second tips over to you.
So, someone's going on holiday, friend, family member. Don't ask them to bring your fridge magnet back. Ask them to bring you something vegan. Why not? You never know what you're going to get. So, a friend of mine at work picked us this up. Cashew parmesan for salads and all kinds of things. Came back from Australia and is absolutely amazing. So yeah, quick tip for you there.
Yeah, we've had it so far on salad and on pasta. So go and bring you something back. Aye, if you're watching this, you've got to the end of our video. So well done for that. And we appreciate you watching. We'd love it if you liked this video, shared it with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel and
Click the bell for notifications.